Hi guys, this will be a tutorial about placing or planting the grass over the terrain and the rocks. I will show you two methods to get this done. First will be the snipping methods. I think that a lot of you already know this. And the second will be the particles method, uh, which will be done in the Blender render mode and then converted to Blender game engine. So this is the basic terrain setup that I will be using, and this is the grass object and the rock object. I will the objects are groups that are linked from external blend file, and this group is rotated on the which axis. I'll show you. Yes, there it is. It's rotated on the X axis, on the green axis. In the edit mode, you have to rotate the object 90 degrees over the green axis, and I will next show you why I have to figure it by myself, and I don't know why it is like this. So yes, this is the prepared grass object. I'll switch back to the terrain. So yes, I have rotated it this way, but it's not important right now. So about the snipping, as you can probably know, there is a snipping button. You can switch it to snap with what element I want. We will use face or volume. It's not so different, and I will make another instance of this rock, and as you can see, I have enable snapping, and it's snapping on the terrain, so I can move the instances of the rock around the terrain. And you have to disable it when you are rotating the object, because there will be this weird snapping. So yes, this is the snapping method. We will not use it to place the grass, because it's a small object and we have to use a lot of grass if you want to place it over this terrain. So I will now show you the particle method. So we select our terrain, in this case the plane. We will switch to the object mode, and as the Blender tells us, it is not available in the particle mode, and it's not available in the game engine. So we will switch to Blender render, create a new particle system, then switch to hair. Yes, this is the hairy terrain. And now we switch to group, select our group, and it's bush 2, and I will change the size of the particles. And yes, now there's lots of bushes on the terrain, and this is it. And now you can see the object is rotated on the green axis. Actually, it's around the red axis. No, it doesn't matter. But it's rotated by 90 degrees. And if you will select the rotation around it will use the object rotation for duplication. So as you can see, if I can select this, the object is rotating around the exact as the normal of the surface. So it's properly placed on the terrain. So that's why I've rotated the object by 90 degrees. Yes, but this is not the finished product. If I will hit P to preview in the game engine, it will be all lost. So I will switch to particle mode, hit A, X to delete the particles, hit add, and I will add some particles there. I don't know how much. Yes, it will be enough. Switch to the object mode back, and yes, we have the particles there exactly where we want them. But if we hit P, it will lost. So I have to hit Ctrl A to apply the particles, and we want to make duplicates real. So yes, and now we have all the bushes here in the outliner, and it's a lot of objects. And the Blender, as a game engine, in matter of performance, will handle better the one object with a lot of vertices than the a lot of objects with a few vertices. So if I hit P, the grass is there, and you can leave it like this, but I will recommend you to join the objects to the one. So I will, because it's groups, I have to press L to make objects local, and it's data. So yes, I have the objects local, and I can switch to edit mode. I don't want to select the plane, so yes, I can switch to the edit mode of the bushes. As you can see, there are instances, so if I will change one, they will change all. And it's too much objects, and I will hit Ctrl J to join them, and I have a nice mesh of the grass. And the Blender will handle this with less performance issues. So I hope that you like this tutorial. If you have any questions, just don't hesitate to post a comment, and bye.